We just announced we completed production for last year, 2.6 million ounces of silver equivalent. We're on pace to do 3 million ounces this year, and we've rolled out our 5-year plan to go to between 8 and 10 million ounces.
StockPulse.com, we are on location, Vancouver Resource Investment Conference 2023. Joining me now, I've got David Wolfin. He runs Avino Silver, that's ASM on the big board in Toronto, and also New York Stock Exchange. David, good to see you.
Good to be back.
Yeah, so silver. I like silver.
Yeah.
I have a silver show, and you do silver here, and I know you're back in action here, making money here, good level to make money here in silver. Give us the update on Avino.
Well, we just announced we completed production for last year, 2.6 million ounces of silver equivalent. We're on pace to do 3 million ounces this year, and we've rolled out our 5-year plan to go to between 8 and 10 million ounces.
That's a pretty good plan.
Yeah.
So imagine you're pretty happy with these levels here at silver, huh?
Yeah, well, we've got 300 million ounces of silver equivalent, so we're and growing. We've got a new resource estimate coming out in the next few weeks, so that number should go higher. So it's good leverage to silver.
Yeah. So talk about the past here a little bit and bring it into the future. Plant back online, rocking and rolling.
Back in 2020, we shut down the mine for a year and a half, so that's why the stock went down. But we got to build a dry stack tailings storage facility, so we got a state-of-the-art modern tailings facility. We drilled off the current tailings, TSF number 1, because there's a large endowment of oxide tailings sitting at the bottom from when it was a mine in the 70s and 80s. We want to reprocess that. So we couldn't drill that off when it was an active tailings dam, so that's why we kept the mine shut and let it dry out. Now we've completed that, we're doing a pre-feasibility study on that, and we'll have reserves at the end of this year. So there's that, and then the acquisition of La Preciosa last year from Coeur Mining. They paid $350 million in 2013 buying out Orco. We paid them $30 million in upfront consideration. There are contingency payments, but we got it real cheap, and it's been de-risked. There's over 1,500 drill holes on it, big resource, trucking distance to our mill. So those 3 assets, the producing Avino mine, the oxide tailings, and the La Preciosa will drive our growth in the next 5 years.
There's a few silver producers out there to invest in. Why Avino?
Well, we're debt-free. We've been around for 55 years. We're very unique in the fact that we have 100% Mexican labor force, right up to our chief operating officer. So we have good morale. And so other foreign companies don't have that luxury. We've been there so long. And so we're really excited about that, and growing our resource base and production. If you look at 8 to 10 million ounce a year producers, Endeavour Silver, it's 900 million market cap. We're trading at 130 million. So we got, in the next 5 years, we're going to be matching their current production.
Wow. So an opportunity here, I think, for the market.
Definitely.
Good. Appreciate that update. That's David Wolfin. He's the president, CEO of Avino Silver, ASM, Toronto, New York. David, thanks for the update.
Thank you.